In this video, I'll guide you through the complete Wi-Fi setup process for your Epson XP-7100 printer. By the end of this tutorial, your printer will be connected to your wireless network and ready to print. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to Print Smart Help. Your support helps us create more simple printer guides like this. Thank you, and let's get started. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Open the Settings menu. Start by looking at the printer's touchscreen. From the home screen, swipe or scroll until you find Settings, then tap to open it. Step 2. Go to Network Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Network Settings to access the printer's wireless connection options. Step 3. Choose Wi-Fi Setup. Next, tap Wi-Fi Setup. When the available options appear, choose Wi-Fi Recommended. Step 4. Begin the Setup Wizard. Tap Start Setup, then select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard to search for nearby wireless networks. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. Wait for the printer to display the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Tap your home or office Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard to type your Wi-Fi password carefully. After entering the password, tap Start Setup. Step 7. Finish the connection. The printer will now connect to your wireless network. When the connection is successful, tap OK to complete the process. You may also see options to register your printer with Epson or install available updates. You can complete these now or skip them and do them later. Step 8. Confirm the Wi-Fi connection. Return to the home screen. Look for the blue Wi-Fi indicator on the printer. If the blue light is on, it means your Epson XP-7100 has successfully connected to your wireless network and is ready to use. That's all there is to it. Your Epson XP-7100 is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready for wireless printing from your computer, phone, or tablet. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Print Smart Help, and leave a comment if you'd like to see more Epson printer tutorials. Thanks for watching!